Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mama Sigli Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 17 hanggang July 23 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the week of July 17 on July 23 for the sign of Aries. So let's see and watch this. So let's see guys, paano natin tutunghayan, alamin at tuklasin ang mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So ito na. So there is an opportunity for the 7 of Cups. Oh, it's either confusion guys ha. Maaaring may mga bagay na naguguluhan ka. May mga bagay na nalilito ka, no? May mga bagay na parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung uunahin mo. Sabi ko na eh. Parang uulanin ka ng biyay o opportunities dito or either a confusion for a situations, no? And of course, this is something a King of Pentacles, so this is something of practicality. No? Maging practical kapag dating sa finances, no? Pangalagaan at proteksyonan ng mga pinaghirapan. And of course, this is something a four of Swords. So there's something in the intuition, no? There's a rest. So kailangan mo magpahinga dito, no? Nag-over fatigue ka, guys. And because this is something in need of for fast communication and fast movement. So there's something kumbaga trouble, guys. So there's something phone call, messages, no? An email, additional messages. So this is something the 9 of Pentacles with the blossoming abundance, may paglago at paglakas sa finances dito. Na maaaring gumanda na ang takbo ng iyong negosyo, trabaho ka na buhay. And of course, there is something a 2 of Swords with an indecision. May mga bagay dito na naghihirapan ka pang mag-decide. Nahihirapan ka pang gawa ng actions. Let's see additional messages with the 7 of Cups. So there's the King of Cups. So there's a devoted 41st. And itong tao na to napaka-supportive sa'yo. Kumaga, oh my goodness, no? Maaring guluhin ang kanyang isipan. Oh. And because there's something a 2 of Cups with a partnership, no? There's something a secure. Oh my God. Ibig sabihin, pangalagaan, protectionan mo ang love life mo. Kung baga, akin lang ang asawa ko. Ganon. Kung baga, may mga taong magbe-brainwash siya kanya, no? May mga taong bubudulin siya. And because this is something a Queen of Wands by confidence. Kailangan malakas ang loob mo, maging matapang ka dito. Sa eksena na to, lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. There's an 8 of Wands, represent what? This is the 9 of Pentacles with practicality, no? Kailangan maging practical because there's a slow and steady. Kailangan na, kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy yung eksena or consistent ka dapat sa ginagawa mo. No? So let's see what is the 9 of Pentacles. Represent the King of Swords with something being wise, no? And of course, being practical sa ginagawa mo, no? Maging matalino ka sa lahat ng gagawin mong actions. The 2 of Swords represent what? The 2 of Swords represent what? Angel Spirit. So there's something the 6 of Swords. So there's a transition, no? At makakalis ka na sa situation. Parang mag-iisip ka na parang, oh my God, this is the moment, no? Parang ito na yung panahon, pagkakataon para makaalis ka sa sitwasyon, no? Parang magkakaroon ka ng decision ngayon na, now na. There is a 7 of Cups because the King of Cups. Represent the 4 of Wands by celebration, homecoming, no? Maaaring magkaroon kayo ng higher level commitment ng person na to. It's either ikasal kayo or maaaring magkaroon kayo ng maaaring magkaroon kayo ng living situations, no? Maaaring living partner ba to? No, there's something, a partnership. A Nine of Pentacles and across the Two of Cups. So there is a Five of Cups by something disappointment, regret, no? There's something, a realizations, no? May mga bagay dito na pag-iisipan mo. At may mga bagay dito na panghihinayangan mo. May mga bagay dito na parang, iisipin mo na wag masayang at mawala. So let's see. Additional messages with the Four of Swords because that Queen of Wands. So there's the Three of Swords na something insecurities, no? Maraming taong, kumbaga may mga bagay na kiniingitan ka, maraming bagay na pinagseselosan ka. May mga bagay na parang ang feeling mo ang labo-labo sa eksena mo, or parang ang feeling mo, bakit pagdating sa'yo ganito, ganyan, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng something, an unfair situation. So let's see what is additional messages with the Eight of Wands and because the Nine of Pentacles. So there's something, the Eight of Swords with the toxic or negativities around you. No? Kumbaga maraming mga taong, kumbaga kumukuha na informasyon at hindi lahat ng tao ay sinusuporta ka behind your back, no? Kumbaga yung iba dyan, kumukuha ng informasyon, hindi dahil para tulungan ka, para linlangin at guluhin ka. So let's see additional messages with the Nine of Pentacles and of course the King of Swords. Represent what? Eight of Cups. So there's an 888 guys with something abundance. So ibig sabihin dito, may darating na pera. This is a big slot and big shot. No? This is a big break, guys. Malaking finances na papasok na maging wais ka dito, no? This is something of flow. Ooh, dadaloy na raw ang eksena. So let's see. There's the Two of Swords because the Six of Swords. There's the Four of Cups with a reevaluate or analyze. There's something of 4. So there's a possible na maaring, kumbaga, kailangan, kumbaga, maging mautak sa mga desisyon, no? Magpapabago ng eksena mo. Pag-iisipan mo na mabuti, hindi ka pwede magpala desisyon dito. Additional messages with the outcome. For the outcome, represent what? So this is the Ace of Cups for a new love, new offer. No, there's a new beginning coming in for you pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Additional messages po with the outcome pa. For the outcome, this is something and Nine of Wands very slow and steady, no? Slowly but surely. Kumbaga sinasabi na mabagal man ang pag-usad mo, pero sisiguraduhin kang makakabangon at makakaalis ka sa sitwasyon mo. This is something, a tower moment for a major changes. Now, there's something, a chaos or distractions. May mga bagay dito na aalisin, wawaksin, sisirain. May mga bagay na magandang dahilan, no? It's a beautiful disaster. And because there's something, magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na manifest. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na may sasakatuparan. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na may ilalahad. Oh my God. Additional messages with the career. Sa career mo naman, there's something an Ace of Wands for a new beginning. No? There's a new offer. There's a creative spark. May bagong eksena dito na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng uniqueness, signatures. No? Maaaring kakaiba ka sa lahat ng eksena na to. Na magiging kakaiba tong opportunity for you. This is something, a chariot card for taking action. So, kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. Kasi ikaw lang yung makakagawa ng paraan para mabago ang sistema at eksena mo. So, let's see additional messages with career. So, there is an opportunity for the Three of Cups. So, there's something celebration. And of course, there's something a third party involved pagdating sa finances. No? Maging mauta ka. Pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho ka na buhay, walang kapatid, walang kamag-anak, walang kahit na sino dyan. No? Kahit sino pang Porsche Pilato yan, kailangan pangalagaan, protectionan mo ang iyong finances. Additional messages with health. With the love life muna. For the love life. For the love life, there's a Ten of Wands by obligation and responsibilities. No? Marami kang, kumbaga, pasanin, obligasyon. This is a something strength card with a confidence. Kailangan lakasan ng loob mo, maging matapang ka. There's something of power with empowerment with the women. No? Maaring, kumbaga, ito yung kalakasan bilang isang pagkababae mo. Maaring ikaw ay babae na maaring magiging malakas ang mga pinanghuhugutan mo, pinanggagalingan mo. Lahat ng mga bagay dito pagdating sa love life, kumbaga, yung family related mo or family mo, na maaring pamilya mo yun ang bibigay motivation sa'yo para panghawakan ng bawat sa love life mo. Parang, kumbaga, it's either nagtitiis ka dyan sa relationship na yan or either naging parang, kumbaga, naging masigla ka dahil dyan sa pamilya mo. Let's see additional messages about sa health. This is something a Queen of Pentacles with practicality, no? Kung maging practical ka pagdating sa health mo, umiiwas ka sa mga bawal. This is the Queen of Cups, may healing. Na magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito pag emotional and practicality. So pagdating sa health mo, magkakaroon ka ng healing dito, guys. Additional messages tayo about naman tayo sa Move Oracle deck. Now, this is a Money Move Oracle deck for money and career opportunities. Let's see and watch this. And of course, there's a love affair. So, see, konektado ang love life and career mo, guys, no? Kumbaga, pagdating sa love life nyo or sa career nyo, there's a be aware, no? Meron ditong umi-epal pagdating sa love life and career nyo. Na meron ditong, kumbaga, kumakalantari sa person mo. Or meron dito nanlilin lang sa person mo. Maaring, there's a partnership pagdating sa business, no? Maaring, kumbaga, may humaharot, no? And because there is something in transformation, na may mga bagay na unti-unti magbabago pagdating sa career. And of course, there is something helping hand, no? Kumbaga, walang mga tao or bagay na makakahawak nito or makakagawa ng bagay na to na ikaw lang ang bukod tangi, no? May kakayanan ka at kaalaman, no? There is something swerte din, no? May swerte ka pagdating sa negosyo. Additional messages tayo with Mystic Love Oracle deck for love life. Anong chika sa'yo pagdating sa love life? And because there's a trouble, guys, na magkakaroon ka ng trouble dito. And there's a relationship reconnecting na kumbaga magkakaroon ka na ng connecting pagdating sa love life mo. Marang magkakaroon kayo ng understanding na. Kumbaga pagkakaintindihan at maayos ng inyong relasyon. And there's a something safety, comfort. No? Kumbaga alam mo kung kanino ka panatag. No? Kung sino lang yung taong makakaintindi sa'yo. So let's see what is the magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages, this is a perfect timing for you, no? Kumaga, there's something a perfect time for you to moving forward. You are on the right time, on the right track, no? And additional messages. And of course, there is an opportunity with the trouble, guys. Now, double clarification, guys, ha? May trouble ka talaga. What is the yin and yang oracle card? And there is a sun empowerment, no? Bibigyan kang kalakasan at kagalingan dito. At see, there's an empowerment by women or men, no? May kakayanan at kalakasan ka dito. And there's an empathy with a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka talaga sa larangan na pinanghahawakan mo. There's a spy watching at you, no? Meron talaga sumusubaybay, may inggitera. Or meron taong kumakalantari sa person mo. May sumasapaw talaga sa inyong relasyon. There's a love affair, guys. Be aware, ha. May taong umaharot sa partner mo, sa asawa mo. Or may susubukang hubarap. So let's see what is the synchronicities. And there's a strength card. Kailangan mo lakasan ang pakiramdam mo, lakasan ang loob mo, maging matapang ka. And there's something of formula. There's something in sistema, cycles. No, there's something problem solving. Maaaring masasagot na lahat ng mga katanungan mo. Additional messages. There's a finder of the lost things na may mga bagay na nawala sa'yo. Maaaring makikita mo na. Makahanap mo na ang kasagutan. Additional messages for Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael, messages for you is, your children are watched over by angels, no? Ginagabayan daw ang iyong mga anak ng mga angel spirit. At the same time, there's a detach from the situation. Kailangan mo na makaalis sa situation, guys, no? And there's a new beginning and fresh start. Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at bagong pag-asa. Bagong buhay. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. Wisdom, enlighten. No? Mag-enlighten lahat ng mga bagay sa'yo. Lahat ng mga bagay na malalabo para sa'yo ay maaaring maliwanagan ka na. And there is something confusion. See, may nanggugulo talaga dito sa iyong buhay, sa relasyon, finances. And there's an enlighten. See, sabi ko sa'yo, liliwanagin lahat ng mga bagay sa'yo eh. Sige nga, alamin natin about sa love life more with the Romance Angels. Represent what? Romance Angels represent what? There is a religious factor, no? It's either magkaiba kayo na relihiyon or there's a spiritual gas or really spiritual path with something doing a black magic, no? Or something gayuma. And there's something finances and career, no? Konektado ang iyong finances and career dito. Let's see what is the angel's answer. In the near future. Oh. Malapit na raw ang iyong future. There's this trust, no? Kailangan mo magtiwala. And there is unlikely, may mga bagay na hindi mo nagugustuhan o may mga bagay na hindi mo magugustuhan. So let's see what is additional messages with energy. And there's an action. You need to take an action for this. No? Bago pa lumaki at lumawak ang kaguluhan pagdating sa buhay mo. There's something walking away. Kailangan mo na makaalis sa situation. Or maaaring katrabaho nito yung third party, third wheel. And there's a magician in the mirror. There's a reflection and of course manifestation. No, or either guys, there's something mirroring. No, there's a connected with the soul ties, soulmate, na maaaring kumaga, lahat ng gagawin mo ay gagawin niya. Kaya be aware for your actions, no? Yung mga kilos galaw nyo, ha? Kumbaga, pag lumandi ka, lalandi din yung person mo. Connected kayong dalawa. Mirroring kayo, eh. Let's see what is the Moonology. And believe in the impossible. Na maniwala ka sa mga imposible ay posible. And there's a meditate and contemplate, no? Palawakin pala kasi ng yung chakra or yung aura. Additional messages for Archangel Raphael messages. For Archangel Raphael messages for you. And there's a children. Kumbaga may iipit yung mga anak mo dito kung may mga anak kayo, ha. And there's a forgive the seals, no? Maaring kumbaga magkakaroon ng kapatawaran dito. Maaring nagloko na tong person mo. Maaring naiipit na yung anak mo sa situation. Additional messages. And there's a freedom. Napalawakin mo ang iyong kaisipan. And there's a discipline. Na kumbaga magkaroon ka ng disiplina sa sarili mo. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a purple with the third eye, no? There's a clear voyage. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga may pangitain, no? Masisilayan mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nakikita. Or may mga bagay dito na parang alam mo na yung mangyayari. Oh my God, there's a goddess inside. See? Kumbaga may mga pasilip sa'yo, predictions. May kakayanan ka lamang ka, ha? There's a cleansing, see? Kailangan mo mag-cleansing and there's a clarify. No, kumbaga kina-clarify dito na there is something in black magic involved. The all of you guys, no? Sa iyong partner mo, sa person mo at sa iyo, maaaring konektado kayo ng black magic. And of course, there is something environment. See? Nasa paligid nyo lang or either katrabaho, kapamilya, kapitbahay, kaibigan. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is your life is a canvas for artist manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na manifest. And there's a baby step with actions, no? Kailangan mo nang kumilos hanggat hindi pa lumalawak ang problema. For Jesus' loving quote said, judge not that you be not judged. No? Huwag mong husgahan, alamin mo, no, ang kasagutan at yung mga kinalaman ng eksena na to. No? Huwag mo munang sambitin, sabihin, no? Bagkos solusyonan mo kung ano yung nagiging komplikasyon. Angel's number represent what? 2002 with the void, no? Umiwas ka. Kumbaga, putulin mo, no? There's just the stop, no? You have the more control over your life that you realize. Learn and execute, no? What interests you. Turn things around. It get better with time. There are plenty of friends to make so chill out, having fun, and open up, go outside. No, kailangan mong umiwas, alisin, no? Kailangan mong kumawala sa situation mo. Kailangan mong, kumbaga, mag-unwind, no? Para, kumbaga, maalis yung lungkot, makapag-isip ka na maayos, no? So, let's see what is the messages of life. And there's an inner power, no? Papalawigin, papalakasin ang kaisipan mo dito. There's a today, I choose to see myself as significant. I acknowledge my true strength. I remain steadfast in the face of adversity. If I stand, I pick myself up, knowing that I am filled with the power of God, of the universe. I accept and appreciate myself in every way. I contain the most precious treasure of this world. Within me, the universe shines through me. So see, papalawigin at papalakasin ang iyong kakayanan, kaalaman. Kaya nangyayari ito sa buhay mo kasi there's a spiritual activation. Mag-a-activate lahat ng mga bagay, kakayanan, kaalaman mo. No, there is something connected. No, maaaring kumbaga, may mga kamag-anak ka or may mga yumao kang kamag-anak na may kaalaman pagdating sa spiritual na maaaring magbukas sa'yo, no, na magkaroon ka ng gift, no, or you are being gifted, na maaaring this is the time, no, para gamitin mo in the right way, na maaaring kumaga hindi mo tinanggap yung pagiging manggagamot, this time tatanggapin mo, or either kumaga ito yung daan, no, para maliwanagan ka sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo. No, this is something spiritual, guys. This is a something spiritual activation. No? Maaaring mag-activate mo sa spirituality mo. O this is something spiritual journey maaaring tatahakin mo. No? Maraming mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo na kumbaga konektado for finances and love life and career mo. Kaya ka namumroblema, kaya ka nagkakaroon ng kamalas-malas na eksena, kasi it's a part of your journey. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 17 hanggang July 23 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-umapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye, and babush!